In this video, you'll learn how to add a wiggle expression to a property in After Effects to create natural random motion. This is a simple but powerful technique you'll use all the time for things like camera shake, floating objects, or subtle movement that makes your animations feel more alive. First, make sure you have a composition open and at least one layer selected, like text, a shape layer, or a solid. The wiggle expression works on many different properties, but the process for adding it is always the same. Start by deciding which property you want to animate. Common choices are position, rotation, and scale. Position controls where your layer sits in the frame. Rotation makes it spin or tilt. Scale changes its size. You'll find these properties by twirling open your layer in the timeline. You can toggle the triangle next to the layer name, then open Transform, and you'll see properties like anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Click once on the property you want to affect so you can see its values clearly. For example, if you want the layer to move around randomly, choose position. If you want it to shake like a handheld camera, you might use position and rotation together. For now, we'll focus on just one property so you can see the process clearly. Next, you'll convert that property to use an expression. To do this, hold down Alt if you're on Windows or Option if you're on a Mac, and while holding it, click directly on the stopwatch icon next to the property name in the timeline. The stopwatch is what normally turns keyframing on and off. When you Alt or Option click it, After Effects opens an expression field instead. You'll see the values turn red and an editable text box appears in the timeline. This is the expression field where you can type a small piece of code that controls how the property behaves over time. Don't worry if you're not a coder, this is going to be very simple. In the expression field, type the following exactly: wiggle, frequency, amplitude. Replace the words frequency and amplitude with numbers, but keep the parentheses and the comma. The word wiggle must be lowercase, and you don't need any semicolons or extra characters for this basic setup. Here's what the two values mean. Frequency is how many times per second the wiggle happens. A frequency of 1 means the property will change its value about once every second. A frequency of 5 means it will jitter quickly 5 times per second. Amplitude is how far the property is allowed to move away from its original value. For position, amplitude is measured in pixels. For rotation, it's measured in degrees. For scale, it's in percentage points. So, for example, if you type wiggle 350, that means the property will move randomly 3 times every second, and it can move up to 50 units away from its original value. If this is on position, the layer will drift and shake within a 50 pixel range. If it's on rotation, it will tilt up to 50 degrees back and forth. After you type your wiggle expression, click anywhere outside the expression box or press enter on the numeric keypad to apply it. Then move your playhead along the timeline or press the spacebar to preview your animation. You should see the selected property now moving in a smooth, random way without any keyframes. If the motion feels too wild, lower the amplitude number. If it feels too slow, increase the frequency. You can keep adjusting those two values until the movement feels right for your scene. And remember, you can always disable the expression by clicking the equals sign next to it or remove it entirely.